Fall 2020 graduates, congratulations. What you've accomplished today is extraordinary. There is no doubt that your last few semesters at UCF have been unlike what you ever imagined. But you did not let this deter you from your goal. You have proven that Knights can always be counted on to rise to every occasion, no matter the obstacle, by continuing to excel in even the most trying times. These are incredible strengths that you will carry with you, helping you to succeed today and for many years to come. That is why I remain so optimistic about your future. You will positively impact society through your vision of what is possible, the hard work necessary to accomplish that vision, and the support of your friends, loved ones, and all of us at UCF. Because you show the difficulties that you face do not define you, but help you grow in all the ways needed to unleash your potential and make our world a better place. We have enjoyed watching so many of you walk across the stage during our grad walk, and that you've been able to celebrate this milestone with your families in a safe way this semester. All of us at UCF are so proud of you and all you have achieved. And today, we honor you and the exciting path ahead. And we say to UCF's newest alumni, go Knights and charge on.